So this is how I wake up or don't wake up. I snooze my alarm like 20 times. I just check and I sleep again. Now I really wake up, and first what the thing I do is I check my phone. I also love to check my Instagram and news, my Facebook, and my social media. And I think it's finished. Now I'm gonna take you guys to my morning routine. And I'll just play my music and I drink Jojo Cola again. This is just for my morning routine and creates such a cozy environment now. I just love lighting candle. This one is aromatherapy ocean from my friend, and this is really nice. So just put this and I will put up in here. Now I will make my morning tea with lemon and honey. So I cut lemon, put in this, and I also like to put a little bit of honey. Okay. I put this. I put the lemon. Just only one is okay, and I also like to put a little bit of honey. Now I tidy up. My bed. Okay, so lazy. It's okay like that. And I changed my clothes. Okay, done. And now I will do 5-minute workout, and I will focus about my abs workout. So number one is look like a wide squat, and I will do like a 2 minutes. And after that, I will do a jump squat. Maybe like 2 minutes. And the final is a planking. So I will do it here, okay? Tired. Really tired. Okay, forget about that. Okay, after that I will grab my clarins. This is a scrub. You can see or not. It's a scrub. Put it, and I will make Natural Republic before I take a shower. This is skin smooth, like a peeling. It's really nice. I will scrub, and I will put look it, something like I have a peel here, all on my body, and it's time to take a shower. Now for breakfast, I have my yogurt bowl, and I will mix this yogurt with a banana, a cute banana, and granola. So I choose a yogurt with lychee. Okay, I put in here, and I put a granola. This is my favorite. This is really nice. natural, high protein, and we have reducing cholesterol, help lose weight. And I think it's done. Nice. Let's put again. It's really nice. Just finish with your tea. And when my breakfast done, I just go back with my laptop and I do my work, like editing my picture or my content, just like that. Thank you so much for watching.